two incredible new AI video generators. The results so far are pretty impressive. And the best part is they are free, at least at the time of recording this video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Stay with me for the entire video, as I'm sure you will not want to miss seeing the results that these AI tools produce and how we have used certain other fine details to try and extract the best out of these AI tools. I'm sure you will love them. Without wasting any more time, let's dive in and check these two video generators out. So the first video generator is called Moonvalley. Once you come to the website, you'll see all of these cool examples here, which will give you an idea about the kind of work you can generate with this website. Then just come here and click on try beta. Then this will give you this Discord invite. Just accept this. After accepting this, you will see the Moonvalley server in your Discord account. For this, you can come here and click on guide to go through some of their basic guidelines, which will help you in generating the videos. Once you're done with that, just come here into any of these new moon servers, click on them. Then you'll see this busy server of theirs where people are generating videos constantly. Come here down below to the prompt box, click on / and create. Then these three options will pop up. One is prompt, style and duration. So let's go to the prompt part where we will describe our video. A beautiful 22-year-old fashion model in a red leather jacket. Then I'll click on style. So here we have all these options of comic book, fantasy, anime, magna, realism and 3D animation. So I'll just click on realism for this example. Then I'll come here and click on duration. So then these three options pop up, short, medium and long. So let's just click medium for this example. So once I've selected all this, I'll just click on enter, and in a short while the video should be ready. Let's check out the result. Pretty smooth, I would say. This is another reroll of the same option. So I scoped through the various creations of all the people in the Discord and some of the showcase videos presented by Moonvalley. I have collected everything together and we can quickly run through them to understand the capability of this AI tool. Let's check them out. Here, this is the first one. The prompt was a pretty lady in Qatar. Pretty nice. This is another one. This was a young fashion model with black hair. Frozen princess in anime magna style. This is a realistic one. A man walking in a black alley. Pretty sweet. Woman in a beach in Sicily. Pretty nice one. The climax scene of a romantic movie. This was a 3D animation style. Check this one out. A blue-haired Lone Range survivor. This was again realistic style. Pretty nice. Look at this one. A realistic style, a fighter in water. Look at this, an astronaut running on Mars. Let's check out a few other ones. This is a 3D animation style where a lion is running facing the camera. Look at this one. BMW car on a street. Wow, this is pretty nice. So you get the idea. I would say the results are pretty impressive and they have promised certain other upcoming features like private DMing will be allowed, image to video is coming soon, and they will also allow you to put a seed and negative prompting. Currently negative prompting is not allowed in this video. Okay, now it's time to check out the second free AI video generator, and it's by one of my favorite design suites, Canva. So let's check it out. Just go to the website of Canva, come here on the left and click on apps, then click on try magic media. Then you'll see this, come here and click on use in new design, then just come here and click on video. Then you'll see this prompt box, select video. If you go down below and click on this, you will be able to experiment with the few sample prompts provided by Canva themselves. You can either use those or you can try your own prompt. So let's try our first prompt, a red motorbike on Mars. And I'll just click on generate video. And in a short while the video is ready. Look at the result. Pretty nice. Let's try another one. A red colored truck driving on Mars. And let's see the result. Now let's try another variation. Canva lets you also select the style of the video you want, where you can be even more specific by first putting your prompt followed by the photography style of your video. So let's quickly check out an example. I have written a river flowing in the woods in the style of professional cinematography, cinematic style. And then click on generate. Now let's try a third variation. This AI video generator also lets you select the camera angle. So let's try out one example. Drone camera style of a snow-capped mountain. So the way one can use this is first write the camera style. For instance, drone camera followed by the prompt, or you can also interchange this. Let's see the result. Now let's see another trick of generating videos. You can also specify the kind of lens to be used to generate your video. For example, macro lens, wide angle, close up, mid shot, whatever you like. So let's try out an example. A tiger walking in the woods, wide angle lens. Once again, the structure I'm following is prompt followed by the camera angle lens, or you can interchange that. And the last cool trick of this AI video generator is the ability to morph text. Let's check out a quick example. First we'll add a text box, then I'll just write here, save the tiger, and I'll place it here on the left. Once I'm done with this, I'll go here on the left side and I'll click on apps, then I'll click on magic morph, I'll click on open, then I just select the text, and here in the prompt box, once you come down, you can scroll through all these pre-selected styles, or you can prompt it to give it your own style. So let's try another style of our own. So I'll just write here yellow and black. In simple terms, I'm trying to indicate to Canva to let the text imitate the color scheme of the tiger. Let's see if Canva can achieve this. And click on enter. And here's the result. So it's not exactly what I had in mind. Maybe I needed to be more specific with my prompt, but it's not bad. It's given me yellow and black. So let's see the result. Not bad, I would say. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy this video here, which is going to come up here on the screen, where we have discussed 10 extremely cool AI tools which will help you in your everyday life. If you don't have time right now, save this video for later, as no video is more important than your time. I will continue to strive to make more such videos which will help us in our shared journey of self-improvement and how we can leverage the power of AI for our greater good. Thank you and see you in the next video.